What is going on, guys? This is Chad. Thank you for watching another Is That Chad video. Today we're taking a look at the all-new 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander plug-in hybrid. Now, this car we did have back in 2018, and for the 2019, a lot of things have remained the same. However, some things are different. So we're gonna just talk about everything that this car has, some of the features of it, some of the things you need to know if you're in the market for one of these cars, as well as pointing out some of the differences between this and the 2018. Now guys, before we start, if you go ahead and give this video a like so we can help get this video to as many people as we can, as well as subscribe to my channel for more content. Go ahead and drop a comment for what vehicle you want to see next, whether that's a Mitsubishi or anything used. I have a ton of inventory. So just drop a comment and let me know what kind of questions or what kind of inventory you guys want to see reviews on next. So let's go ahead and jump into this. So we're going to start on the front end of this car. One of the things I love about this car is going to be the aggressive styling on it. I really like the way this front grille looks with this chrome accent going right here down underneath the headlights down to the fog lights. I think that looks really aggressive, really good. Speaking of that front grille, that is something that you will notice is different between this and the 18. So there's a slight difference right up there at the top grille. Also a little difference where the bottom grille is as well. Now you are going to notice you do get the LED daytime running light here, as well as the projector halogen headlights. Looks really nice at night. Going on to the side of the car, you're going to notice these beautiful rims and tires, which have been redesigned from the 2018 model. Go ahead and look up above that. You'll notice, of course, you have your plug-in hybrid EV badging. And then above that, you're going to have your power folding side view side mirrors right there with the LED turn signals in there as well. Now, this car does have the silver roof rails as well as push button start and remote entry. Now, this car is going to get 74 miles per gallon combined with the electricity. Once again, that's 74 miles combined. 25 miles if you're just using gas, 25 miles per gallon. This car does have an 11-gallon tank, just so you know that as well. Coming back here to the back, you'll notice you do get this rear spoiler back here up top, which looks really nice. The back of the car is really good looking. It's not a whole lot going on, which is nice. Nice and simple is the key here, and it looks really sharp. Of course, you have LED running lights back here as well. Now, this is going to be with the super all-wheel control, which is something all of the hybrids get. Now, this hybrid works slightly different. This hybrid, we actually have a hybrid motor that powers the front wheels. It's 80 horsepower motor that powers those. We also have an 80 horsepower motor that powers the rear wheels. So you have a motor for each, which is really nice. Now, this over here is actually where you plug in the hybrid. If the car is unlocked, this should also be unlocked, and it is. Go ahead and show you guys these. This is where you would plug in your ports here to charge them up. Now, speaking of which, you are going to receive a level 1 charger with the vehicle. And with the level 1 charger, you can charge your vehicle up to 8 hours is what it's going to take. Now, you can get a level 2 charger, which is going to decrease that time down to about 3 hours. And then, of course, if you're using one of the DC speed chargers there, it can take as little as like 30 minutes to charge it up to 80%, I think. So that's really nice. Now we're going to go ahead and get inside of this car. Go ahead and drop a comment and let me know what you guys think about this exterior. I really like it. It's kind of simple, which is nice. You don't want a huge amount going on. We're going to start in the back of this car. Go ahead and show you guys this trunk space. Of course, you notice it is going to be a power lift tailgate. Now, one of the differences between the Outlander PHEV and the regular Outlander is the regular Outlander is a 7-seater vehicle, whereas the Outlander PHEV is going to be a 5-seater vehicle. Now, this car does not have a spare tire, which is not a big deal. I mean, I think it's 70% of the cars no longer have a spare tire. We do have a tire inflation kit. Mitsubishi also provides 5 years of roadside assistance. That's unlimited miles. So anywhere in the US, if you run out of gas, break down, have a flat tire, something like that, you can just call Mitsubishi and they'll actually take care of you. Now, about this trunk space, I'm going to go ahead and sit back here, show you guys how much space is in here. I'm actually going to go ahead and fold these seats down flat as well, just by pulling this lever there and pushing it down. Go ahead and do it on this side as well. Oh, actually, take that back. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the back seat. Push this button, close that back. I'm going to go ahead and hop in the back seat. Now, of course, these are going to be leather seats. Really nice leather. See this door sill. Nice stitching on the seats. I'll go ahead and sit back here and see how much space there is. Not too bad at all. Now, I'm 6'1", so I'm definitely not small, definitely not short, and I have a decent amount of space back here. Not a huge amount, but definitely plenty of space. And this is with the front seats in the all the way back position. Now, something else that's really nice that they added to the 2019 that's not in the 2018 is going to be rear vents. The 2018 did not get these. You also get this rear USB outlet as well. That's really nice. And then, of course, you get a center folding armrest here as well. One of my complaints, I gotta be honest here, this armrest is kind of uncomfortable. It doesn't go down quite far enough for my taste, but other than that, it's great. Now, to show you how to fold this back seat one more time, first thing you want to do is pull this front lever, little tab right there. Just gonna fold that down. Second thing you're gonna want to do is pull this right here. You can see it's labeled with the number 2. So we'll go ahead and pull it, fold the seat like so, and then pull this guy here, making the seat completely flat. Once the seat is completely flat there, you have plenty of space, definitely more than 6 foot. I can lay down back there and not have a problem at all. Now let's go ahead and hop into the front seat of the car. Now guys, one of the best things about this car is the fact that you can get all of these features for as little as $37,000 before any kind of dealer rebates or anything like that. So great savings. Well, definitely the cheapest plug-in hybrid SUV you can get. There's not a lot of them out there to begin with. Now, hopping in the front seat, really nice. The first thing you're going to notice is this hydro-dipped carbon fiber, silver carbon fiber trimming, which looks really premium in here. You can see it's continued all the way across, as well as down here in the center console area. Really nice look. Definitely paired with the piano black, it looks really nice. Now, sitting in this seat, very nice, very comfortable. These seats do have a little bit more bolstering than what you found on the 2018 model, and you can definitely feel that. It feels really nice. So go ahead and get my seat comfortable there. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys around here. Really nice, very simple steering wheel. Everything you need is right here, and it's all really easy to get to and understand what's going on. It's not complicated at all. Now, one of the things you'll notice back here are going to be these. They are not paddle shifters. These are actually for the regenerative braking, so that you can set it on different levels to give you more battery charging as you're braking and city driving. There's 6 different braking settings that you can put that on. So that's really cool. You can see the dash up here. You have your speed on the right there, have your charge levels, as well as what the car is doing over here on the left, so you can kind of keep up with how you're doing as far as economy driving is concerned. Now, this car is going to have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth control, of course, all of those types of things, satellite radio, all that kind of stuff in here. Dual automatic climate control, electronic parking brake, which is really nice with auto brake hold right here. Over here you'll notice several different drive modes. You have charge mode, save mode, the B, D, all that. Very easy to use. Just slide it down and over, kind of like what a Prius would be actually. And then when you're ready to go into park, just go ahead and either push park there, or whenever you turn the car off, it'll automatically default back to park. And then like I was saying earlier about the all-wheel drive control right there. You can see the normal twin motor 4-wheel drive lock. So those are just some of the features. Of course, I mean, automatic dimming rear view mirror, all that kind of stuff with home link control. Nice size center console. And with that being said, guys, that is going to go ahead and conclude this video. I will be doing another video demonstrating the test drive of this car, and that video will also be posted immediately after this video. So if you want to see how this car drives and some of the driving dynamics of it, please go ahead and make sure you click into that video. It'll be right after this one. And make sure you share this video with any of your friends. Thank you guys for watching another Is That Chad Honda Reviews video. Make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button for more content. And the most important thing, drop a comment and let me know what you guys want to see next. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.